sick?
Yeah. Oh my god, I sweat a lot.
Hiroki is already so struggling for Hiroki. With everything actually.
So spicy. Now I'm sweating a lot. My towel like I can see.
Hai teman-teman semua, balik lagi di Binai Channel. So, semoga teman-teman dalam keadaan yang baik-baik aja. Nah, kalau di Vancouver nih teman-teman, sekarang finally kita summer break. Baik, maksudnya gimana nih? Maksudnya musim panas teman-teman. Jadi Mei Juni kemarin itu biasanya Vancouver udah panas banget, tapi tahun ini kita banyak hujan gitu. Nah, jadi Juli ini akhirnya summernya datang. So we are so excited. Makanya aku juga jadi agak jarang upload. Sorry banget ya. Hari ini itu vlognya bakal tentang apa? Pasti teman-teman udah tahu karena udah ada kan ya di judulnya. Ya jadi Hiroki, kalau teman-teman nonton vlog yang terakhir tentang opor ayam kan Hiroki bilang dia pengen nyobain yang pedes-pedes. Nah saking penasarannya nih teman-teman, aku sama bro akhirnya kita kepikiran untuk undang Hiroki khusus untuk nyobain yang pedes ya. Aku sama si bro bener-bener kaget banget ngeliat ternyata orang Jepang yang bener-bener makan pedas. Well nih teman-teman, mumpung kalian lagi pada nonton, aku mau ngapain? Hayo ngapain? So ya, tada! Ya, jadi tangan aku ini ada Scarlett Whitening teman-teman. Nah, both ini adalah body lotion dan aku mau battle. Di tangan kiri aku adalah romansa, yang di tangan kanan aku adalah freshie, yang mana yang bakal jadi favorit aku untuk summer ini. Jadi untuk body care-nya sendiri itu ada 3 tahap: body scrub, shower scrub, dan juga body lotion. Jadi buat teman-teman yang pengen mendapatkan hasil yang maksimal dan kulitnya semakin cerah, aku saranin buat pakai 3-tiganya. So let's try. The first one is the romansa. Enak banget wanginya. Ini yang fresh ini teman-teman. Wangi banget. Untuk teksturnya teman-teman, jadi romansa sama fresh ini sama-sama lembut banget, enak di kulit, dan itu langsung diserap. Jadi itu nggak lengket-lengket gitu. Pokoknya enak banget. It's kinda hard to choose nih teman-teman, yang mana ya. Jadi kalau ditanya mana yang lebih aku suka karena ini musim panas, tada! This is the winner. I like the freshy one. Buat teman-teman yang penasaran pengen nyobain juga, langsung aja teman-teman. Ini ada infonya ya buat teman-teman yang mau order.
Very good. Oh my god, it's so hard. This one is more fruity. I think I like this one.
Oh, yay! Ya, bro ternyata tim fresh ya teman-teman. Sama banget sama aku. Hey, thank you bro.
Baik-baik aja ya. Hari ini yuk melu aku belanja. Nah kebetulan kan stok mie lagi gak ada nih, jadi aku suruh ibu belanja ke toko Korea karena kebetulan di situ ada. Nah ini aku juga beli fish cake teman-teman, karena pada tahu toh aku mau masak sesuatu yang instan tapi enak tenan. Udah selesai, segitu aja belanjanya. Yo sekarang saiki waktunya kita masak-masak ya. Nah itu sebenarnya masaknya simple. Aku itu Mbak Mawar mau bikin seblak. Seblak ini makanan yang khas wong Sunda. Itu gampang banget, jadi kerupuk yang biasa digoreng tapi jadinya dimasak. Nah kayak hati kamu yang sering digoreng-goreng sekarang dicipihin. Aduh, wes udah Mbak Mawar jayus banget. Ya nih teman-teman, cara masaknya seperti biasa, cara kilat. Kalau teman-teman bisa lihat semuanya cepat-cepat. Nah ini ibu paling suka kalau semuanya tuh serba tambahannya banyak ini itu gitu. Jadi tak kasih fish cake, tak kasih udang, tak kayak sayur-sayuran gitu kan biar agak sehat. Terus ini pakai mie goreng. Nah itu yang Mbak Mawar beli itu beda merek ya teman-teman, tapi si ibu ternyata ketemu yang pedes ya. Yaudah kita pakai yang di ketemu ibu. Nah udah kita masak ya. Nah tinggal dimasukkan seblaknya. Kalau bumbu pedesnya aku Mbak Mawar tak pakaikan yang dari sini ABC-nya aja ya, karena kan emang sudah ada rasanya gitu. Jadi kalau nggak ada rasanya baru ntar Mbak Mawar tambahin garam atau mungkin garlic atau onion yang powder gitu ya. Ya itu waktu itu Mbak Mawar enak banget ngeliatnya, kok kayak cepet gitu masaknya. Ya jadi kalau itu Mbak Mawar juga bingung warnanya kenapa kuning, tapi kayaknya karena seblaknya teman-temannya pas Mbak Mawar rebus tuh jadi agak kuning-kuning gitu. Mungkin meren kalau katanya orang Sunda ya. Ya jadi sekarang siap untuk disajikan untuk Mas Hiroki. Masak Mas Hiroki, nasi pun percaya nama ibu bos. Tapi semoga dia suka teman-teman. Nah, voila. Food is ready. Pedas nampol selera pedas. Nah, semoga ini pedas karena Mbak Mawar juga belum pernah nyobain. Mari kita makan.
Hi guys! Welcome back to Binai channel! Today, because last time if you watched the video, Hiroki was asking for something spicy. So I invited Hiroki today to eat a special simple meal from Indonesia. And this is actually, Hiroki is a super popular meal in Indonesia. We love to eat ramen.
Yeah.
Indonesian ramen is a fried ramen. The ramen itself, this is the package. This time guys, kita nyobainnya ABC ya. Aku udah nggak pernah nyoba, makanya aku beli ini. This is the ramen. Pedas means spicy.
Okay.
So it might be really spicy. I don't know. I never tried it before. But in case it's not spicy enough for you,
It really looks spicy because it already has lots of
I
flames
know,
and chili
flames
and everything.
fire.
Yeah.
I know, right? So it kinda they have like a level, first level, second level, and I don't know which level is this. So yeah, you guys tell us which level is this. And in case it's not spicy enough for you, I make an extra chili paste.
Okay.
Yeah, to
Oh.
mix it.
Okay.
Guys, Hiroki is the first Japanese friend I know who eats spicy. And now I'm so curious how spicy Hiroki can handle. So that's why it's time. Actually, if you like dig in your food, you're gonna see a little bit stuff like this. This is actually the crackers. The crackers, but this one I fry. But this one I boil.
Okay.
And it's kind of a trend in
Oh.
Indonesia. You eat that with the noodle as well. It gives you a little different texture and flavor.
Okay.
Yeah, so they call it seblak.
Brown.
Seblak.
Seblak.
Yeah, that is
Seblak.
weird.
Seblak.
Seblak, okay. So dig in guys, and I hope you like it, and I hope it's spicy enough for Hiroki. Enjoy!
Hi. Thank you.
Spicy is pedas.
Yeah, pedas means
Pedas?
spicy.
Okay.
Yeah, so spicy flavor, something like that. So yeah, I never tried this flavor because I like the other brand. This is the first time I'm trying. According to a friend I know, he said it's good spicy. Wow, it's spicy.
It's already spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's spicy really?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's quite spicy for me. And it was
It
spicy.
doesn't look spicy because there's no red chili or anything in it. But it's already spicy. So I'm not even sure. I think I will try this one. Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Wow, you
I'll
sure?
try, but like because it looks so good. But it looks spicy.
Yeah,
Okay.
I also want to try.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
they are crazy. I think I'm struggling enough with this. I can't. No, I'm not gonna use that one. I like the flavor, but it's spicy.
Yeah. Spicy.
Yeah.
Now a little bit like a sweat.
Sweating?
Yeah.
I'm already
Oh, yeah.
sweating too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah, this one is really spicy.
Yeah.
The sambal.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't want to try. I'm surprised, Hiroki. You're crazy. You really eat spicy.
I trained in Mexico.
Oh my god. Already sweaty. It's not even a minute eating. Spicy.
Now my tongue like a stimulated.
It's like burning.
Yeah. This one?
This is the seblak.
Some.
Yeah, it's
Already started.
yeah. Hiroki is already sweating.
I'm sweating.
Oh wow. I don't even add any chili, guys. They add some chili.
But yeah, this is already very spicy, just like from out of the box.
Yeah.
And imagine I already add some stuff, vegetables, and the seblak. I think if you just eat the noodle, it's gonna be total spicy.
Like this food is normal in Indonesia.
Yeah, it's kind of like a fast food of Indonesia. Yeah, so we like to eat fried noodle.
Like, how did you get into the spicy eating?
I think
Probably.
I think I don't like a spicy food, but when I was a university student, I met a Chinese friend, and they took me like a spicy Chinese restaurant,
Oh yeah.
and I tried a lot.
Oh,
Yeah.
and
And
then
now I
you
like
it. Oh, so then you eat a lot
Yeah.
often Chinese food. That's why you get used to
Yeah.
eating spicy. Wow.
I think eating spicy is very healthy because you're done sweating.
Yeah.
So if you're maybe sick or not feel good or not feel well, then you can eat like some spicy food, and it will make you feel better.
Like I sweat a lot.
Hiroki is already struggling to Hiroki. Don't eat those then anymore if it's spicy.
Huh?
You still like it?
Yeah.
Wow. Respect. Hiroki.
His body already telling no stop, but Hiroki like keeps going.
I want to try like spicy Indonesian.
Time you can have Alex as well, and then we can see who eats the more spicy.
Yeah. Then you're gonna be like more,
more
sweaty.
sweat,
Yeah, you're gonna be
like
wet.
a sauna.
Yes, you're gonna
Yeah.
be so wet. Yes. Okay, so.
Yep.
I sweat a lot.
Don't worry.
I'm so impressed, Hiroki. Like how you eat this with the chili also.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at Basti can
Oh, yeah.
I'm struggling. I put this on the side. It's too much for me. Wow.
Now I try.
Yeah, you eat how many
Oh my
times
God.
already? Hiroki is crazy. Wow. Guys, tell me if you have any Japanese friends who eats more spicy than Hiroki. I think none.
Yeah, I think you're definitely eating more spicy than me, Hiroki.
Really?
Yeah. Like this is almost too spicy for me. Like maybe I won't even be able to finish, but like this one definitely I have to leave. Maybe a bit more of the noodle, maybe the fish cake. But like this is too much for me.
Bro is giving up.
I did not expect this really.
But I'm worried about tomorrow.
I asked, do you have any plan tomorrow?
My kind like parasite.
Paralyzed?
Oh, paralyzed? Yeah. Wow. It's almost too much to handle.
Yeah, like your lip is so red.
Yeah.
Mine
Oh, is
too.
it?
Yeah.
It feels really like
But,
tingling.
yeah. Hiroki is so very red, but he finished it.
Yeah.
Wow.
That is really impressive.
Hiroki is the new spicy eater.
Thank you. It's first time I did nothing to this.
Yeah.
I ate first. It's a little bit spicy. That's why I
You add more
add more
wow.
this. But this one is so spicy.
really
Yeah. Now I'm sweating a lot. My hair like I think
Exactly, because you said a lot. But like the meal, do you like it? Like,
Yeah,
the
I like it.
flavor? Yeah.
especially this one helps like help me.
Yeah, to calm
The
down.
kerupuk?
Yeah,
Yeah,
the, the crack. Yeah, the kerupuk. Which part is the best part that you like the most?
I think like how to say you say me like a boiled.
Oh, the
first
fish
one.
cake.
Yeah.
The fish cake.
No, not fish cake.
The...
Oh, the boiled krupuk?
Oh, the Seblak, you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Wow. Oh, you love the Seblak.
Yeah.
Awesome. That's wow. Surprise.
Nice.
You recommend me again. About the spiciness, what points you give? 10 is super spicy. 1 is not spicy at all.
I think 8.
8.
Wow.
Oh.
So
wow.
still room for a bit
Wow.
more.
Still have room for eating more spicy than that. Crazy.
I did not expect anything like this. It is completely surprised. Like it was so spicy. The noodle itself, it did not look spicy at all.
Yeah.
Like there was no, I could not see any red chili or so, but it was really spicy. And then I started off with this one. So this is level 99 maybe. And then I add some more of the chili, but this one also is really spicy. Like I put a little bit and mix. It's too much. So in the end I give up after like a little bit left.
Because
It was too much.
Tomorrow.
I the fish cake was really good.
Yeah.
I also love the krupuk. Like it is a really good addition to the meal. I also like the Seblak actually.
Yeah.
It's I think very rare that
Yeah.
you eat this like cooked kerupuk. Like
Yes.
usually it's fried and then
Exactly.
it's crunchy. So this was actually pretty good.
Yeah, that's soft.
And I loved like the little bit of shrimp and everything that was in between. So yeah, it was really good. Spicy level 10. 10 out of 10. Spicy enough for me.
Yes.
I was struggling really, so I had to give up, leave a little bit.
Crazy.
So, but yeah, all my respect goes to Hiroki.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey, Team Japan.
Crazy. right?
Crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, so Hiroki, do you want to go to Indonesia?
Yeah, of
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so if our follower is someone invite you to Indonesia, you will go?
Okay.
Yeah, I will go.
Oh, you will go.
Oh,
You
right.
hear that, guys?
Without hesitation. Yes.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in another video. And yeah, as Spicy said, write down what kind of spicy food I should try, and then to serve to our friend Hiroki next time. See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.